what's up, traders? What is going on? Today was Fed Day, okay? And as you can imagine, Fed Day always gives us, especially those active day traders, it always gives us some wild, crazy, frankly speaking, outrageous trading opportunities. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right in. What you're seeing on the chart right now is the S&P 500 global benchmark. You guys know, if you trade Forex, your symbol is SPX 500. If you trade futures, your symbol is ES. And if you trade stocks and options, your symbol is SPY, what they call the SPY. And of course, for those of you that are not in the know, this green and red color band that you're seeing overlaid onto today's price action is our proprietary volume-based indicator. This is a volume-based analytical tool that does a, in my opinion, fantastic job of predicting the trend. You guys have heard me say this 100 times. I'm going to say it another 100 times. There's nothing, and I mean nothing, that's more important than identifying a trend. Okay? To me, this is the secret sauce. To me, this is the holy grail. Let me tell you something. This is the chart that I like to use, and I feel that this is the chart that a lot of professional traders who are serious about technical analysis use. But let me show you the charts that you're using. This is the candlestick garbage charts that you're using, right? You tell me if you think you can spot the trend on today's Fed Day. Do you think you could have captured or harnessed the insane volatility we had today? I don't think so. I haven't met a single person that has ever shown me that they can find success with this candlestick nonsense. All right, get this garbage out of here. Okay, so anyway, this green and red color band, it's very simple. When it turns red, as it did in this exact moment in time, it tells you that at that one moment in time, the sellers are now in control. Doesn't mean you randomly come in and short the market. You still got to look for what you define to be low risk, high probability setups, but at least you can somewhat feel good about getting the direction right. Okay? And of course, on the flip side, when you see this volume indicator turn green, as it did right here, this is your clue that the buyers are in control now at this exact moment in time. Okay? Do not be that dummy that tries to short the market like I know a lot of you guys did today, and you all got your heads chopped off, all right, trying to short this market when it's so clearly and obviously green. Okay? In other words, look, man, if you tried to short the market today when it was green, then shame on you. Right? Shame on you for trying to counter trend trade the market and go against what the smart money's doing. Folks, let me scroll this back. Look at this. Look at these moves, right? This is 7:30 from the day before. Look at these moves. This is 1 p.m. from today, okay? You and me, we don't cause these moves. You know who does? It's the big guys, the smart money, the institutional money, the hedge funds, and of course the algo trading programs. When they all want to sell it, they're all going to sell it at the same time. When they all want to buy it, guess what? They're all going to buy it at the same time, causing these incredible opportunities. Okay. Hey, look, folks, as far as I'm concerned, today on Fed Day, we only had 2 setups, but I'm willing to bet you a majority of you thought today was going to be a red day. I bet you a majority of you thought that when the Fed raises interest rates, the market is supposed to sell off. Probably that's why you tried to short the market today, which was a terrible idea, right? Folks, something you got to realize is I'm not the inventor of trend trading, right? Trend trading has been around for the last 100 years. It's going to be around for the next 100 years. The sooner you get on board with that concept, the better it's going to be for your technical analysis, right? Remember, trading is risky. Trading is hard. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it, right? But at the end of the day, a trend trading strategy is designed to put the odds in your favor. You're trading with the big guys. You're trading with the institutional order flow. You're not trading against it. Today was a shocking day. I've never seen Like, this crazy moves happen within 1 hour of the Fed announcing their decision. You understand what I'm saying? A big sell-off, a significant, almost 70-point sell-off, and then a massive 100-point rally. This was not unique to the S&P. Look at the Nas. Folks, look at the Nas. Okay? Same thing. Nice, beautiful sell-off. The volume indicator nails it, and then boom, it nails the rally in the opposite direction, aka bullish. And I think this is still green as of right now when I'm recording this video. So look, folks, here's the moral of the story, all right? For all you retail traders and you amateurs out there, let me talk to you for a second. If you're serious about transforming your technical analysis, you got to study up on trend trading, man. I don't know what else to tell you, all right? I believe that this volume indicator tool is the best thing in the universe, but remember, you still have to have all the other attributes that successful traders have, right? Strong discipline, very good understanding of risk reward, and I think this volume indicator will teach you along the way, okay? But all I can say is stop being a dum-dum. Stop being a dummy operating on your candlestick BS charts. I don't know how you people run your technical analysis on this garbage. I really don't, okay? And I'm willing to bet you that anybody that was using candlestick nonsense today, you got your heads chopped off repeatedly trying to trade on Fed day. Whereas people who were using a volume-based tool, like this green and red color band, you guys were crying tears of joy today as you finally experienced the incredible power of trading a trend. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.